Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing Gmail and Outlook so the connection succeeds. First, enable a map in Gmail because Outlook reads mail folders via a map. This preserves labels as folders. Next, if you use two-factor authentication, create an app password, otherwise toggle access permissions so Outlook can sign in securely. Once done, open Outlook and choose Add Account. We move quickly because these steps remove common authentication roadblocks and let Outlook manage syncing reliably. Now you configure the account in Outlook with exact server settings to avoid sync failures. Select Manual Setup and pick a map. Enter a map. Gmail, COM for incoming and SMTP. Gmail, COM for outgoing. Use port 993 with SSL for a map and 465 or 587 with SSL/TLS for SMTP so messages send securely. Make sure Outlook authenticates using your full Gmail address and your regular password or the app password. Once Outlook tests the connection successfully, it will begin downloading folders and headers. Finish by mapping folders and tuning sync so your mail behaves like Gmail. In account settings, map sent, drafts, and trash to the corresponding Gmail labels to avoid duplicates. Then set sync frequency and download limits to suit your bandwidth. Once complete, verify sending, receiving, and searching across folders. If something fails, first recheck a map and SMTP ports and whether you used an app password. Then restart Outlook and rerun the connection test. That resolves most lingering auth or sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.